Hi, my name is Joseph McDevitt, and today I want to share a brand new opportunity with you called Text Cash Network. Text Cash Network is now in pre-launch and will follow in the footsteps of Groupon and Living Social, and they plan to dominate the text-to-save marketplace. Did you know that over $1 trillion are spent on the cell phone infrastructure, and that there are over 5 billion cell phones worldwide, and that over 86% of Americans own a cell phone? Plus, over 100 million are frequent text users, and that over 93% of all text messages are opened. In addition, over 80% of texts are opened within an hour. And there were over 2.5 trillion text messages sent last year. Plus, over 100,000 texts are sent every second. With that said, why not take part in the unlimited potential of the text-to-save marketplace and enroll in the Text Cash Network and cash in on your share of this trillion-dollar industry? There's 5 easy steps to become a Text Cash Network referral agent. The first step is to register to become a TCN referral agent. And shortly I'll take you over to my website and show you how to register. The second step is to agree to receive up to 5 text messages daily. Step 3 is to agree to help get the word out. Step 4 is where you earn revenue sharing from a 10-level referral program. And the 5th step is to simply enjoy and share the fruits of your labor. One of the things that's so attractive about this company is the fact that anyone can profit from this program. You don't have to have any marketing experience whatsoever, and that makes it so simple to enroll people. So you can enroll your neighbors, your friends and family, and everybody you know. Plus, it's free to enroll, and there's no monthly fees or auto ship, so it's an absolute no-brainer. What I'm going to do next is take you over to my website and show you just how easy it is to register. Okay, here we are over at my Text Cash Network referral website, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to go ahead and register. Once you're here, go ahead and navigate your way around the website here and read everything about the company, learn more about the company, and then once you're ready to register, right here on the right-hand side, there's a big orange button that says Join Free. Just simply go ahead and click on that. That'll take you to the registration page. Go ahead and fill in all the information that they're asking for here. You're going to have to put your email in there, choose a username and a password, and then also they're going to ask you to choose a website URL. That's the URL that's going to be the link to your referral website. So go ahead and choose that wisely. Then when you're done there, you put your CAPTCHA code in there and click Continue, and that's going to take you to the next page where you will have to verify your email address. And that's basically it. You'll be all done and ready to go. Hey, thanks for watching, and make it a great day. Bye for now.